Hi friends, it's Michelle. I just wanted to show you, this is a beautiful retired Z piece from Paparazzi. It's called the Authentic. It's so beautiful, look at it. So this one's retired and I think I still have like one or two of them left. If you're not familiar with our Z pieces, it's our more upscale luxury line that costs $25. And these are the earrings that come with it. It's just a beautiful piece, and I have some matching accessories, rings, bracelets. I always keep turquoise in stock. But if you're interested in this necklace, it's $25, and these comes with these earrings. Let me know. It's called the Authentic. It's a beautiful 3-layer turquoise blue gorgeous necklace with silver beads. And like I said, it's a retired piece, so I only have about one or two left in stock, and once they're gone, and they become collector's items. So please message me or leave a comment if you're interested. Take care.